Here we go. Sweet home Alabama.
Sweet home Alabama.
Sing it out, kids.
When skies are so blue. Not right now.
Not right now. Let's get a tap. No. Come on, right on my butt. I'm gonna get pour with Pick Up or Cook. Fifi, we made it to New Orleans. It's like late at night. I think it's like 10 o'clock, I guess. And we're rolling. We're gonna go out in the streets. Okay, I'll go in front. You guys can be in the background. There you go. There you go. So we're heading out now. We're gonna see the sights and see what we get up to in New Orleans. First time here. It's a really nice night. And let's go have some fun.
Which basically means that you can be in a happy, fantastic mood. The side vampire somehow has the power to keep that happiness out of you.
Hey. There we go. Bourbon Street. Yeah, let's go dance. What the heck is this? Hi. Hi, Rocky. Hi. Hi. These guys. Do you want to be on here?
Welcome again. You keep getting me, man. Welcome, you guys. Have fun. Make your laps. Make the lap. I tell people, you gotta make 3 laps. The first lap is just to see what's going on, see how it's rolling. The second lap, you smell. You check out the list, you got the menu, and your third lap, you choose. Yeah. That's when people get very, very indecisive. They be lost. It's fun with me, man. My entertainment for the day.
Thank you, man.
Event, and last night Nick, Adam, and I were walking around Bourbon Street, and I got really emotional about all the homeless people, and so I went out and I bought pizza for all the homeless people, and I came home that night and I was like, noisy, and I was like, how can we help more of these people? We have this platform where tons of people are viewing our videos. Maybe there's a way that we can reach out to everybody, because if a few people donate some bucks, then people can help. So noisy here. So anyway, so there's the idea of the haves and the have-nots, and I feel like if you're a have, then you should give. Like, I'm always thinking about giving. And so today, at our event at Roch Market, Josh shows up And Josh, tell them what you do.
I run a ministry 501c3 that works and feeds the homeless. We provide hot, home cooked meals for the homeless on a monthly basis, as well as weekly feeding and hygiene outreaches, where we reach some of the homeless that are living on the street corners underneath the overpasses here in New Orleans. We feed on a regular basis 30 to 40 people every time we go out, which is several times a week, and we're able to give them some food. We're able to give them clean socks and hygiene products so they can stay healthy and full throughout the week.
How crazy is that? So we just like happened to run into Josh, who was doing exactly what I was saying I wish we could do. And so Josh has, tell us about how they can help a little bit.
You can support us. We have if you search on Amazon, our Amazon wish list is under Urban Outreach New Orleans, which is what our group name is. And there's also a link on this video where you can donate directly through our denomination. All the money comes right to you, and it's a tax-deductible donation.
So we'll put all the links in the description box below, and if you have a few dollars to spare or however much you feel like you can give, then Josh is going to make sure that it goes to a really great place and help the homeless here in New Orleans. So, thanks guys!
I got the bao.
B-A-O.
Yeah.
Bao?
Yeah. They're like dumpling bun things. I think it's like mushroom and tofu.
It says stuffed steamed buns.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Nice.
And what's this?
This is pho. This is a seasoned vegetable pho.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Looks
First time eating pho.
Street food, awesome.
Oh yeah. What's up, 50? Guys, we made it to Jackson Square. We're about to get a sunset. Looks beautiful out here. Check it out, guys. Beautiful. There it goes. James Bird on the ukulele. Yeah, beautiful. Selfie time! Selfie!
That's good.
Okay, coming up to Cafe de Mall. No way I'm going in there. No way we're getting a donut or whatever you get in here. No way, bro. Ain't nobody got time for that. Pussy! Aha! Here it is. House of Pepper. Hot sauce bar. Taste at your own risk. Hey, Tabasco. Hey. Hey, the Gators. Hey, Tabasco. All the Tabasco. Beautiful. Steph's dad, he's a hot sauce connoisseur. That was part of the shtick of me getting in. He said I had to try hot sauce with him in the beginning.
He passed the test.
He made me sweat, but Jim's like, he's got it going on with hot sauce.
Yep.
So we'll try and find the hottest one, so you sweat. What do we go with, Steph?
We're going with this Grinders Death Nectar. It's apparently the spiciest thing they have in the store. We just saw somebody tried it and their palms started sweating immediately.
Oh my god. Good luck, Jim.
See what happens.
Good luck, Jim. So I found the coolest little nook. It sells like antiques and everything. It's pretty cool. It's like vintage, retro stuff out here. We'll just go straight down to the water. Go down the street. Go down the street. That's the water. That's the water. Yeah, they're doing the fireworks over the water.